Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I am like beyond excited right now to be able to do another small YouTuber PR unboxing. These videos are some of my absolute favorite videos to film. One, because they're like my favorite videos to watch. I love watching the YouTuber PR unboxing videos, but just the fact that I am even at this point and getting any free product at all is just such a dream come true for me. So I have a few boxes today that I am dying to see what's inside of them. So I wanted to hop on here and do the unboxing with you. I did get an Influenster box, which I can't believe I keep getting these. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that. So Influenster is an app that I've been on for a long time, but honestly, I'm not very active on it at all these days. I don't even have my YouTube following hooked up to it. So the fact that I'm still getting free product, what are called Vox boxes when they're from Influencer, is pretty amazing. So anyone can sign up for the Influenster app. And now I think there's the option to follow each other. So I'll put, hopefully I can find a referral link in the description down below if you want to sign up for the Influenster app or be friends on Influenster. But if you're not familiar, it's basically an app where you can review anything, products, stores, services, things like that. And it's a great way to look up products or anything that you're interested in, to get reviews on it, ask questions. So it's a really great community. And I've received a bunch of Influencer boxes by now. I feel like I've gotten like 5 or so. So here, this is from the brand L'Oreal Paris Revitalift. The latest in anti-aging skincare awaits. Powerful ingredients. So let's see. Oh my gosh. There are full-size products in here. The new Revitalift Triple Power Moisturizer. Our first moisturizer with the power of 3 top proven anti-aging ingredients: pro-retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. I love all of those ingredients. Dye-free, paraben-free, allergy tested. Ooh, fancy packaging. I will definitely be using this. So exciting. And since my skin gets so dry, this will be really great for me. And then there's another product in here. Whoa. Revitalift Derm Intensive 1.9% pure hyaluronic acid, 7 replumping ampoules? Ampoules? I don't know what that is. This is new. Hyaluronic acid? I'm pretty sure I actually saw a commercial on TV yesterday for these. That is so cool. I love hyaluronic acid. It's so good for my dry skin. So it's like a hyaluronic acid serum. But it's really cool that it comes in these little, I don't even know how to say that word, ampoule. That's awesome. These are products that I'm really excited to use and that are going to be so good for my skin. And it's really cool that I get to try out new products. So Influencer sends out like these campaigns of new products that they really want to advertise. So it's really cool that I get to try these out right away, right when they go on the market. And next up, ooh, really pretty brushes. Wow. Oh, these are from the brand Foley Fire. Oh my gosh, so soft. These seem like amazing quality. I'm so excited about this brand Foley Fire. I tried out the lipstick, which if you haven't seen that video, I will have that link down below because I absolutely love that lipstick. Actually, in my Ipsy Full Face of February Ipsy products, I used the lipstick as a blush and on my lips, and it looked so good. So I will have both those videos linked in the description down below. But oh my gosh, it's so nice of this brand to send me all these products. Very securely packaged. Ooh, the powder highlighter. Translucent Dream. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Oh, that is huge. I love that shade. I'm actually not even gonna go ahead and swatch anything yet because I'm going to save this for a full dedicated review video as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already so that you don't miss out on any of those videos and the full dedicated review videos that I'll do for these products. I love the packaging on this. Here is the powder blush. Love this shade. Like such cute packaging. You can see it's got like a unique shape to it. That looks so pretty. Oh, they sent me so much stuff. A pressed matte face pigment and a pressed metallic face pigment. What is that? Ooh, it's maybe like another blush. Love the packaging on this. So this is the matte face pigment. So maybe you can use it, let's see, on your cheeks, maybe on the lips too, and the eyes. Wow, that seems so unique. And then the metallic version, oh, this looks beautiful, like a magenta. I love that shade. I'm so excited to play with this. Ooh, this is another powder blush. Oh, they're different shades. So the first one was called Speculation. This one's called Guilty. Ooh, a darker blush. Ooh, and this one has a little bit of shine to it. Really pretty. This is a blush shade that's a little out of my comfort zone that I wouldn't normally choose. So I'm really excited to try it out because those are the most fun colors for me to try. Whoa! And then this is called Syncope. That graphic. Is this an eyeshadow palette? Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful this is. I am so excited to try this. Has some nice weight to it too. These look beautiful. Definitely a different type of color range than what I tend to usually use, which is so exciting for me. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna have to try this one out right away. So wow, thank you so much to Fully Fire. That is so generous of them. Oh, I feel so lucky. Ooh, made in Italy. Cool. And then I got 2 boxes from the brand Good Molecules, which is a new skincare brand that I'm so excited about. Oh, pretty box. Hand-picked in the Patagonia Austral of Chile. Ooh. It says they directly source their ingredients, which eliminates the markup from middlemen, which when I was looking these products up online, they are very affordable, which I love. They're pure rose hip seed oil, hand-picked by farmers in the Patagonia Austral of Chile and cold pressed to ensure the highest quality for radiant skin. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is the most beautiful tissue paper. Oh, and it comes in this little canvas bag. They did such cute packaging. Ooh, and the packaging of the product is also very pretty. Pure cold pressed rose hip seed oil, antioxidant rich facial oil that delivers natural vitamin A and helps restore skin elasticity. Oh, it says to apply it after your water-based serums, AM and PM. I love skincare, so I'm excited that I got some new skincare products as well. Oh my gosh, look at this packaging. I love it. Look at how cute this is. The bag says, "Your gain isn't their loss," which is so cute. I love that these ingredients are sourced from a great source. And then let's open up the second Good Molecules package. Oh my gosh, these boxes are so pretty. Caffeine, glycerin, that's what it says on this tissue paper. Whoa, my gosh. And these products are never tested on animals. Wow, so what have we got here? Niacinamide Brightening Toner, formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve the appearance of enlarged pores. That's something that I deal with. Wow, oh, I'm so excited to try this. I need it. This looks awesome. And then this one, Super Peptide Serum, formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. I love that. I'm getting lots of oils to work into my skincare routine. And then this one, silicone-free priming moisturizer, formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. I'm really excited about this brand. Oh, this looks so good. And the niacinamide serum, formulated with 10% niacinamide to refine skin texture and minimize pores. So I'm actually not that familiar with niacinamide, but it seems like it helps minimize pores, so I should really familiarize myself with it. And by using this product, that'll be a good way to do so. I love that the directions tell you what order to apply the products in. For example, this one says apply a small amount to your face in the morning and at night before oils, moisturizers, and creams. So wow, thank you so much to the brand Good Molecules. I'm so excited about these. They sound so nice. I'm definitely going to use them, and then maybe in a vlog or something I can update you on my skincare, how I'm liking them, or I could even do a dedicated skincare video. So let me know if that's something you would be interested in seeing, because I love skincare. And then I have one more box here. The packaging on this is so cute. So if you saw my Walmart LA Colors haul video, I showed these lashes and I tried them out and I have been loving them. They are such nice lashes. They are so comfortable. They seem like high end, but they're $4 from Walmart. So this is so cute. I'm so excited that I am well stocked up in my favorite lashes now. Let me do a zoomed in view so you can see. How cute is this packaging too? And so they're all a little bit different, but they're all so fluffy and they have layers to them, which I love, and it really helps the lashes look more natural and full. So if you have not tried out these lashes yet, I highly recommend them. They are my new favorites. So that was my little small YouTuber PR unboxing. I can't believe that I get these products sent to me for free. I am so thankful. So lucky. These products are so exciting. So make sure you are subscribed so that you get updates on these products. You get to see the full dedicated review videos on those Fully Fire products. If there were any that I showed you that you were particularly interested in that you'd want me to do a review video on first, I would love to hear about that in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you tomorrow in my next one.